Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set reminders in Evernote. This is a simple feature that helps you remember important tasks on time. Let's get started. First, open Evernote and go to the Tasks section. Now click the New Task button to create a new task. Type the name of your task. You can also add a description if you want to include more details. Now, look for the Reminder option. Here you can choose a quick reminder like in 1 hour or in 4 hours. If you want a specific reminder, click Custom. Now select the date and time when you want to receive the reminder. After choosing the reminder time, click Save if needed. You can also set a due date for your task, but remember that a due date and a reminder are different. A reminder will notify you at the time you choose. Once everything is ready, click the Create Task button. Your task has now been created with a reminder. If you open the task again, you can edit the reminder, change the time, or remove it whenever you want. Using reminders is a great way to stay organized and never miss important work, meetings, or personal tasks. That's how you can easily set reminders in Evernote. Thank you for watching this video. If this tutorial was helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more Evernote tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye.